In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Skylanders on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. It is possible for you to play Skylanders on modern Xbox consoles, including the Xbox Series X. So first, if you try to go over to the Microsoft Store, either on the official website at xbox.com, or if you want to follow along directly through the console, you can look for Skylanders. Even though you will be able to find plenty of results, you will notice that if I open all of these, most of them will simply say not available separately. So it seems like you cannot purchase them digitally through the store. The only exception is this one, Skylanders Superchargers Photo Owners Pack. So, as it stands today, you are able to play these games on Xbox Series X, but sadly you cannot acquire them digitally. What you will have to do is purchase an Xbox One disc of the game, and by using an Xbox One disc specifically, then you will be able to play it on your Xbox Series X console. So digitally is out of the question. It seems like you cannot purchase these games through the Microsoft Store for whatever reason. Even though they are listed here, as you saw, they simply say not available separately and they don't allow you to purchase. So, like I said before, you will need an Xbox One disc of the game. You can find used copies on places like eBay, and any game that is released for the Xbox One is going to work. But be aware, it needs to be from Xbox One. Xbox 360 games will not work for this. So, for example, if you choose Trap Team or Swap Force, these are not going to work because the disc was originally released for the 360 and the only backwards compatible ones seems to be the Xbox One discs. So look for Skylanders Xbox One on places like eBay and search for Xbox One games. And as long as you have a disc that ran on the Xbox One hardware, it is going to work for your Xbox Series X. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.